The Photoshop Manipulation and Editing Masterclass contains projects that will help you master both editing techniques and conquer simple and complex photo manipulation projects. This class will teach you non-destructive editing, which allows you to edit or change a photo without disturbing the original photo, giving you more control over changes down the road. The first section will show you Photoshop's amazing editing tools, including the content-aware tools, where things seem to disappear like magic. We will even review how we can change the season of a photo quickly by using selective color. We will use the spot healing brush tool to retouch with ease and brighten up dull photos with dodge and burn. We will change hair and clothing color by painting with blending modes, and even learn how to paint on gold makeup for dramatic effects and lighting. The second section of this class will focus on photo manipulation projects that vary from easy to complex. The first project will start to review the many ways to isolate and select our images to be placed in new environments, and also learning how to edit glass to adapt to its new background. We'll also change white wine into red. The next project will turn a simple bottle of olive oil into a beautiful fishbowl. We'll learn how to select and cut out objects with finer details, and how to paint on water with realistic effects. We will do a head swap project next. I detail the process of how to swap heads using a combination of tools like the Liquify tool and the Clone tools. The next project will focus on painting makeup and producing dynamic lighting effects to create a character worth remembering. Lastly, we'll use all the tools we covered in the class to conquer a complex photo manipulation with 6 photos that will look like one magical world when we're done. This class is perfect for aspiring graphic designers, those who already practice graphic design and want to improve their editing and Photoshop skills, or for those who want to create digital art with Photoshop to show off their creative talents. This class focuses on several real-world projects I've had to do for clients during my 14-year freelance graphic design career, and of course a few fun ones as well to practice these tools. This class is guaranteed to up your Photoshop game no matter what your level is. This class is gentle enough for newcomers to Photoshop, yet still applicable to those with intermediate skills. So let's get started.